So now let's go start. Now we need to do it very fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is. So that one is the new ones. So put the program 8. Just put the key off. That one is the old one. That one is the new ones. There it is. It worked. That way the other one. You go too. Yeah. It's working. Both is work. Well, actually the 3 is work. That's nice. So that's it. 8 times you need to turn to move the key to start position, but you can't start the engine. So just put it just move the key to start position, start off 8 times, and you go to see the lock is moving, and then you can just press any button on the new remote, the both or whatever remote you need. The old one you need to do the same too. So when you're done, you go to see the lock moving. Just turn it off, the key, put it out, and that's it. Eso es todo. Solamente mueven 8 veces hacia el frente la llave. 8 veces sin arrancar el motor. Solamente la ponen en posición para prender, pero sin prender el motor. Y le dan 8 veces ligero. Y van a escuchar los seguros que se van a mover. Ahí solamente cojan los controles nuevos, le hunden el botón de cerrar o abrir, y al viejo también, y ya, y solamente quitan la llave y eso es todo. No tienen que encender el motor para nada. Bueno, ya está.